There are many ways to view an object. Each view, and therefore each drawing, is an attempt to visually describe an object. Although there are innumerable ways to represent an object, there are 5 conventional ways of drawing: detail drawing, assembly, exploded, sectional, and auxiliary. A detailed drawing includes a view or views of an object, including dimensions and other information required to make the object. All parts of an object would require a detailed drawing. Depending on the number of parts, several pages of drawings may be required. A detailed drawing is essentially an orthographic projection drawing. An orthographic projection drawing usually takes as many views as necessary to describe the object, typically front, right, and top views. In this case, the top view would be the same as the front view. Assembly drawings show where and how the various parts fit into the finished product. An assembly drawing is typically a front view. Exploded views are nothing more than a series of pictorial drawings, usually isometrics. They show the parts that make up the object in proper location to one another. A sectional view shows how an object would look if a cut were made through it perpendicular to the line of sight. Sectional views permit the interior features of an object to be shown on a drawing without the confusion of hidden lines. A typical sectional view usually replaces one of the traditional views, such as front, top, or right. Auxiliary views are sometimes needed to show the true length or true width of an angular surface. For example, in this drawing, none of the views express the proper length of the angled leg. Only by drawing an auxiliary view can the true length of the compass leg be shown.